Hello. So I've seen people doing the what extensions do I use videos, and I thought, why not? I do one myself. So what extensions do I use on Chrome? Well, these ones, and I think they work on Firefox as well. Not too sure. Start with BetterTTV. That stands for Better Twitch TV, and it's for Twitch, of course, and you can get a bunch of stuff here. And underneath the chat you have this cogwheel here, and if you go down a little bit you have this BetterTTV settings, and you get these options here. I only use this settings tab here, and you can turn on and off certain things. I have BetterTTV emotes and stuff. Yeah, dark theme. I know Twitch have a default cinema mode, but dark theme is different because you can still see the chat and other stuff, and you can't do that in cinema mode. Disable homepage autoplay. Yeah, disables video or autoplay on the homepage, the Twitch homepage. And then I disable a bunch of other stuff here, for example the clips and friends and bits and bots and whatever. So yeah, and host button, and also when people delete messages in their chat I can still see them. Hehe. So yeah, that's Twitch TV for you. You can do a lot of stuff here with it. And what else? Chromium wheel smooth scroller. I only use this on Linux because I am running Linux right now. And for some reason when I'm scrolling on websites they were really slow. I had to scroll like crazy on the mouse wheel to get anywhere. So I installed this extension, and if you click on details here and scroll down a bit, you have this extension options down here. If you click on that, another tab opens, and up right here it says step size. Default is set to 0, but I changed this to around 125, 126. That works great for me on my computer. It might vary depending on your computer and your mouse, but 126 works for me. And you don't really have to do anything else. Just when you're done here, click that tab. And to get back to your extension, just click this arrow up here. That's that, so that I can scroll a little bit faster on websites. Then I have Extensity, which is a really nice thing. Up here in the top corner you can see all the extensions you have, and here you have the Extensity, and what that does, if you click on that you can easily enable and disable plugins. So for example this window expander for YouTube, you see down here, now I disabled it. So look at this one, when I click here, now I enable it. So instead of going to this page all the time and disable and enable plugins, you can just use this one. Really nice. Full page screen capture. That's a pretty nice thing. For example, if I just search Linux here, you can see if I want to have more information here, I have to scroll down. And let's say that I want a screenshot of this search page. I have to take a screenshot over here, and then I have to scroll down and take another screenshot. But I don't have to do that with this extension. So just click on this camera and it will automatically just take a screenshot. So now you have the entire search page here in one sort of image. And if you click on this download image here, you now got a screen capture of that. So that's the image. So yeah, really nice. So So now I can remove that and this. So that's the full screen. Then I got the GNOME Shell integration. I am running Linux, and on Linux you have a tool called GNOME Tweaks or GNOME Tweaks. Okay, just open it up for you. Looks like this. You can change the theme and stuff like that and whatever. And on the left you have the extensions. So you have the application menu, dash dock, vitals and whatever. And this is not installed by default. You have to install them manually. So if you go click on this icon, let's see, it was this one. Yeah, you get this extension page and you can search for extensions like the dash to dock. And right now I have it installed. I can also remove it from here. Just uninstall it. I'm not going to do that, but you just click here. Normally it says off. And you click on here to install it. And you get the pop-up window saying install. So it's very, very nice to have. And the dash dock is that you can change the dock here at the bottom. Here's another extension that I have that shows the temperature of the processor, the CPU, and also shows the CPU usage. And yeah, stuff like that. So this works only on Linux. It doesn't work on Windows. I don't think you need this wheel smooth scroller on Windows either. I only use it on Linux because slow scrolling. But I know this GNOME Shell integration doesn't work on Linux because it's a Linux thing. And then we got this uBlock origin, and most people know that this is an ad blocker. And some people don't like that. Well, I love it because I don't get any ads at all on YouTube. Not in the videos or around the video. No ads at all. It works on Twitch as well, so I don't get any ads at all in the stream. Super nice. And some will say, well, you should support your streamers by watching ads. Fuck you. I don't care what you think. I hate ads. I don't want to see them. And the ads on Twitch are like 30 seconds long as well. Super long. And that's even worse. So first of all you have ads and then they are 30 seconds long. What the fuck? So no, if people say you should support streamer, fuck you. Then I got this window expander for YouTube. And if I go into details here, scroll down a bit and I got these extension options. And here you can set the quality level. This is an old extension, so 1080p is the maximum. So every time you start to play a video, it will be set to 1080p. If the video have that. If it's a 720p, it will be 720. But yeah, default 1080p. I don't have a 4K monitor either, so 1080p is perfect for me. And then you can have set quality only in expanded mode. No. Auto pause on startup. Yes. And expand on startup. Yes. And then you need to click save. And you're done. Now you can close this tab and get back. And that's all the extensions that I have and how they work. So yeah, see you later.